Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jyoti Digulwani with Banking, Insurance and Financial Services. Now today we are going to start with the new chapter, Insurance Services. Before going further, let us understand the meaning of insurance services. Insurance is a contract between two parties, one the insurer and the second insured, whereby the insurer agrees to undertake the risk of the insured in consideration of some amount known as premium, and in return promises to compensate a fixed sum of money to the insured party on the happening of an uncertain event like death. Now, first of all, understand who are the two parties. The number one name is insurer and number two is insured. Now, suppose if you want to take your insurance, what is insurance? You know that it is a contract between two parties. को दो पार्टी के बीच का ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है. नाउ विच आर दिस टू पार्टीज? इंश्योरेंस एंड इंश्योर्ड. टेक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू वांट टू टेक द इंश्योरेंस, तो जिसके पास से भी आप इंश्योरेंस लेने वाले हो, दैट कंपनी इज नोन एज द इंश्योरर. From whom you want to take the insurance, that company is known as the insurer and you become the insured. That means आप वहाँ पे इंश्योरेंस लेने वाले हो तो यू आर नोन एज द इंश्योर्ड. तो टू पार्टीज आर देयर, इंश्योरर दैट इज द कंपनी एंड द इंश्योर्ड that is the person who takes the insurance from a particular company. Now, insurance is a contract between two parties. Which are these two parties? Insurer and insured. ये दो पार्टी के बीच का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है whereby the insurer agrees to undertake the risk of insured in consideration of some amount known as premium. Now, insurance company will take risk of yours. If you have taken insurance from the company, then company is going to take your risk. Company आपका risk लेने वाली है, but they are going to charge some amount which is known as premium. Now directly they will not take your risk, but for that they are going to charge certain premium, and in return premium, that is you have to pay certain charges per month or per quarter, or you can say that 3 monthly or yearly, whichever is decided by you. So that amount which is decided between these two parties known as the premium. Now it is decided that they are going to take risk on behalf of you. Company is going to take risk on behalf of you by charging certain amount which is known as premium, and they will pay this fixed amount if certain uncertainty will happen like death. अगर आपकी डेथ हो जाती है तो in that particular circumstances they will pay the fixed amount to your family. So what is insurance? In short, we can say that it is a contract between two parties, that is insurer and insured, where the insurer, that is the company, is being agree to take the risk by charging certain premium amount, and in case of certain uncertainties like death, company is going to pay certain fixed amount to your family. In simple word, insurance is sharing collective responsibility by a large number of people to compensate few people in case of crisis. Means what? See, why collectively? It's a large number of people. Now we all are investing our money together into the insurance company. हम सब लोग अपना पैसा इंश्योरेंस कंपनी में डालते हैं. Now suddenly if death occurs of any person, किसी की भी डेथ होती है तो डायरेक्टली कंपनी पैसा कहाँ से देगी? तो कंपनी इज गिविंग मनी फ्रॉम रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ पीपल. अलग अलग लोगों ने अलग अलग इंश्योरेंस स्कीम में पैसा इन्वेस्ट किया होता है तो उनका पैसा वहाँ पे जमा होता है. तो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी इज जस्ट गिविंग दैट मनी to the family who is in the crisis. That doesn't mean you have lost your money. See, whatever money is generated by the company from you, they are investing this money into the different sources. आपके पास से जो पैसा उन्होंने लिया होता है वो अलग अलग सोर्सेज में उन्होंने इन्वेस्ट किया होता है टू जनरेट प्रॉफिट. अदरवाइज दे विल नॉट बी एबल टू गिव यू मनी बैक. That's why whatever money is generated from you people, they are investing into shares, debentures, or in any other sources where they are getting the profit, and then that profit is used actually to compensate the people. But right now, if you are demanding money from the company, if certain uncertainty happen in your family, and if that person was insured, अगर आपके फैमिली में कोई अनसर्टेनिटी डेथ हुई है और वो पर्सन अगर इंश्योर्ड था, तो वो पैसा कहाँ से कंपनी आपको देगी? तो आपसे जो पैसा लिया होता है, जो अभी किसी में इन्वेस्ट नहीं किया होता है, क्योंकि आप लोग या तो हर महीने पैसा जमा करोगे, या तो 3 मंथली, या तो 6 मंथली, या तो ईयरली, तो उनके पास धीरे धीरे कंटिन्यूसली फ्लो होता है ऑफ द मनी. देन दैट मनी इज गिवन टू you people in a case of crisis. So that's why it is written over here that insurance is sharing collective responsibility by large number of people to compensate few people in case of crisis. क्योंकि हर रोज़ हर एक के घर में कोई डेथ नहीं होती है, अनसर्टेनिटी बहुत रेयर केस में ही आती है. तो हमारा जो भी पैसा जमा होता है, दैट इज़ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पीपल अमाउंट इज कंपेंसेटेड विद द few people in case of the crisis. Now let us understand in short the nature of insurance. Under that, number 1, by nature insurance is a device of sharing risk by large number of people among few who are exposed to risk by one or another reason. See, अभी जैसे हमने बोला इंश्योरेंस क्या है? इट्स अ डिवाइस ऑफ शेयरिंग रिस्क. आपका रिस्क है वो शेयर हो जाता है बाय द लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पीपल हु आर एक्सपोज टू रिस्क बाय वन और अनदर रीज़न. मतलब हर जो बहुत सारे लोगों का पैसा जमा हुआ होता है, एज आई सेड, वो जिसके ऊपर रिस्क आया होता है उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करंट सिचुएशन में कर दिया जाता है. और वो करंट सिचुएशन का रिस्क कौन सा होता है? दैट इज़ डेथ. डेथ बाय वन और अनदर रीज़न, आइदर बाय हार्ट अटैक और बाय एक्सीडेंट और बाय अनदर डिसीज. कोई भी चीज़ की वजह से अगर डेथ हुई है तो इंश्योरेंस शेयर दी रिस्क. तो यू कैन से दैट इंश्योरेंस इज अ डिवाइस ऑफ शेयरिंग रिस्क. नंबर 2, if large number of subscribers to insurance serve the purpose of compensation to few among them exposed to uncertain risk appears as a cooperative look. मीन्स यस, जैसे हमने ऊपर बोला वही चीज़ें हैं रिपीटेडली, थोड़ा सेंटेंस अलग अलग है. अगर लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पीपल है वो अगर कंपेंसेट करते हैं टू द फ्यू पीपल, देन इट गिव्स अ कोऑपरेटिव लुक. यहाँ पे सिर्फ इतना शॉर्ट ही याद रखना है. इफ़ अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पीपल हैव सब्सक्राइब द इंश्योरेंस, मतलब अगर बहुत सारे लोगों ने इंश्योरेंस लिया है और जिन लोगों को प्रॉब्लम आती है, दैट इज़ अ फ्यू अमंग एक्सपोज टू रिस्क. अगर वो थोड़े जन को वहाँ पे रिस्क आया है और उनको वो अमाउंट प्रोवाइड करी जाती है, तो दैट इज़ नोन एज अ कोऑपरेटिव लुक. तो यू कैन से दैट नेचर ऑफ इंश्योरेंस इज व्हाट? कोऑपरेटिव लुक. तो सी, आप शॉर्ट में क्या बोल सकते हो? इंश्योरेंस इज अ डिवाइस ऑफ शेयरिंग रिस्क. इंश्योरेंस शेयर्स द कोऑपरेटिव लुक. Then valuation of risk is determined as per predefined terms condition of the insurance policy. अभी यस, दिस पॉइंट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट. आपको पैसा कितना मिलता है? आपको करोड़, 2 करोड़, 5 करोड़ आपको चाहिए उतना नहीं मिलता है. इट इज़ ओनली टू बी गिवन एज पर प्री डिफाइंड टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन ऑफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी. हम आगे सीखेंगे अलग अलग टाइप की पॉलिसी होती है. तो जो टाइप का पॉलिसी आपने लिया है, जितने टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन एप्लीकेबल थी और जितने पैसे का आपने लिया था, उतना ही आपको अमाउंट मिलता है. तो आपका रिस्क, दैट इज़ वैल्यूएशन ऑफ योर अमाउंट. वैल्यूएशन ऑफ रिस्क, दैट इज़ वैल्यूएशन ऑफ अमाउंट आपको कितनी मिलती है. इट इज़ डिटरमाइंड एज पर द टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन ऑफ द इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी. जो पहले से पॉलिसी में डिसाइड हुआ था उसके हिसाब से ही मिलता है. नेक्स्ट इज that is insurance provide facility of financial help in case of contingency. As we said that if you have any problems, then this insurance provide financial help, क्योंकि आपको पैसा मिलता है. Next is, however, it depends on the value of insurance for which payment is made in case of contingency. This provide basis of amount to be paid. This is actually same one, सिर्फ इसको elaborate किया है यहाँ पे. See, आपकी contingency है, आपको problem है. As I said that if you require more money, but according to your insurance, if it is provided lesser money, then obviously it depends on the value of insurance. आपके इंश्योरेंस की जो वैल्यू थी उसके ऊपर ही आपको मिलता है. तो सी यू कैन से दैट यू गेट द फाइनेंशियल हेल्प, बट दैट फाइनेंशियल हेल्प वैल्यू डिपेंड्स ऑन दी टोटल वैल्यू ऑफ इंश्योरेंस. आपने जितना वहाँ पे इंश्योरेंस निकाला था उतना ही पैसा आपको मिलने वाला है. दैन Number 6 is, insurance is a policy regulated under laws and therefore the amount of insurance can neither be paid as gambling nor as a charity. मतलब सी उसके सर्टेन लॉज हैं, जैसे मैंने बोला रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन आपको फॉलो करने पड़ते हैं. तो इंश्योरेंस इज़ फुल्ली बेस्ड ऑन दी लॉज. तो आपको यहाँ पे कोई गैम्बलिंग दैट इज़ यू कैन नॉट डू एनी माल फंक्शनिंग ओवर हियर, एज वेल एज इंश्योरेंस कंपनी विल नॉट गिव यू एनी काइंड ऑफ चैरिटी. आपने अगर इंश्योरेंस नहीं लिया है then definitely insurance company is not going to give you the amount. Why? Because they are not there for the charity. Firstly, they will take amount from you people in the form of your sources, in the form of insurance agreement, and then they will give it you back in the cases of contingency, in the cases of problem. So here there are lesser chances of gambling, lesser nahi, in short you can say that there are no chances of gambling and definitely they are not going to give any kind of charity. So let us see it again. Insurance, what is the insurance? It is a contract between two parties. Two parties are there, insurer and insured. Insurer, that is the company who is going to give you the amount, and insured, that is you people who have taken the insurance. Now this is a contract between two parties where insurer, that is the company, agrees to pay the amount in the case of risk, in the case of certain uncertainties like death, but directly they will not give you the amount. For that you have to pay certain fees which is known as premium, and when this premium is to be paid, it depends on the contract between that two parties. That is, if you want to pay per month amount or you want to pay 6 monthly or yearly, that is fully dependent on the agreement between that two parties. So in simple words, it's a collective responsibility of large number of people to compensate in case of few people in the certain uncertainties or in certain crisis. There are basically 6 type of nature or points. Insurance is a device sharing risk. Then large number of people serves to the few people, so it gives a cooperative look. And valuation, that is amount of the total policy or amount of total risk is decided or it is predefined as per the terms and condition of the insurance policy. Number 4 is, that is, it gives financial help in the case of contingency, but value of insurance fully depends on the contract between the two parties, and insurance is done under the certain laws. So there are certain less chances for gambling and charity. So today we are concluding with the nature of insurance. In the next topic we will go with the new question, that is why there is a need of insurance. So till then, stay tuned. Goodbye.